Okay, so this is the crisis dashboard, like finally working with data coming in. So you can see all these things on the left here, the different IDC10 codes. This is dummy data that I've just kind of hard coded into the system, but it is calling these from a service rather than just directly in the Angular component. So when the database is ready to pull these codes up from an API endpoint, it's simply just switching out the base URL to point to this API endpoint. And the same goes for the data that's going to show up here. So you can see when I click on these different opioid abuse codes, rendering data. Again, this data is comprised from a service. So again, you can see these are just kind of, this is a bunch of dummy data. So when I click on the codes, it renders the quantities that are called from a service, which again will be backed by an API eventually. So I've only kind of thrown data in for these two right now, but also the call is combining the different IDC-10 codes. So it'll do the same with SNOMED disorders and all the RX norm and SNOMED substances as well for those. So yeah, that's the data rendering. Next step is to put some filters in here. So the age and gender, these don't do anything right now. So age will be able to allow the user to toggle between ages, or to show different age ranges. Gender you can toggle on to display gender or select just male or female, I guess for now. And the time will be able to allow you to pick a start date and a increment of time, and like the time value, so either months, days, or years, or whatever. Yep, so that's it. Thank you.